Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. So today this is a really special video. Why? Because my son Ismail, who's 13 years old, is going to show how he created his first workflow. Hi Ismail, here he is. Today, Ismail is going to guide you through creating a workflow. So why did I ask my son? First, to show that today N8N is a truly solid and robust tool. And above all, even if you're a beginner, you can create high quality workflows that can even help you in a business setting. And today, the goal is to show step by step how to set up an N8N server, install our first workflow, and we'll look at the setup and configuration that Ismail will do here with you live. It's going to be really interesting, and especially for anyone, even in a business, who wants to learn how to automate, you absolutely need to watch this video. Alright, I'll hand it over to Ismail so he can start explaining his workflow to you. Hello.
Everyone, my name is Ismail. I'm 13 years old, and today I'm going to show you how to create your first N8N workflow completely for free. A workflow is an automatic robot that works for you without you having to do anything. Yes, anything at all. We're going to create an automation together that sends a Discord notification every time you receive an email. Let's get started. So people are wondering, what is N8N? It's an automation tool. Imagine a robot that connects your applications to each other. For example, Gmail to Discord, YouTube to Telegram, or even the weather sending you a message every morning. All of that without coding. So here's our training plan. To create an N8N Gmail Discord workflow, there are 6 steps. First, you need to create an N8N account, which is right here on the cloud, so the workflow runs 24/7. Now the second step, configure the Gmail trigger, which will start our workflow. The third step is to create a Discord server. Fourth step, set up the Discord bot, which allows N8N to communicate with Discord. Fifth step is to configure our Discord. And the sixth and final step is to publish the workflow. Let's get started. The first step is to create an N8N account. And we have 2 options. You can either go with the official N8N website, where the price is $20 per month, or with Hostinger, which is right here and offers a price of 5.5 euros per month. And here I'm giving you a 10% promo code, which you can see right in front of you. Make sure to note it down. Go N8N. If you apply it, as you can see right here, you'll get a 10% discount. All that's left to do is click on continue right here to finish setting up our workflow. The second step is to configure the Gmail trigger. Now, we're going to go into our cloud account and click here on Create Workflow. The first step is to go to Add First Step. The first thing to do is set up the trigger we're going to use today. Okay, Add First Step. Here we're going to type Gmail. And then we're going to find Message Received. And there, you'll find it. You're going to enter your Gmail account here. So now I'm going to show you how to connect your Gmail account. Go to the little arrow right there. Click in there. Go to create new credential. And then you'll go to sign in with Google. And we click continue. There you go. Connection successful. So it's confirmed. And now right up there, I'm going to change my name so I can easily remember my name on Gmail. And there we have it, exactly as we planned. Just like that, and that's it. And then now we click on save, which is right here. And now you need to press the plus button right here and select Discord. You'll find it there, and right here there will be send a message. And here we're going to find my server, etc. But before all that, there are 2 steps you need to do, which are right here. First, create a Discord server, and then set up your nice Discord. That's important. And now you're going to go to the Discord website, or download it to your PC, or use it in your browser. Now, since I'm logged into my account, we're going to go to Add a Server right here. First, go ahead and click on the button that says Create My Own. Just follow along with me, my friend. For this demonstration, I'll name it Elite Server, But keep in mind, this is just an example, and you can name yours whatever you want. And now, as you can see, the server is successfully created. What we have left to do now is add the bot. To create the bot, you need to navigate to the developer section, which is located right here, and then click on Developer Portal. From there, go to Applications and click on the New Application button. For example, I'll call mine Smailbot. Simply click Yes, Create to finish this step. And that's it, it's done. You'll find the Ismail bot right here, it's just there. And now we're going to go to Bot, which is right here. And we're going to click on Reset Token, which will be our secret token that no one else should know. We'll click Yes, do it. I'm going to enter my password. And now you'll find your token right there. And I'm just going to copy it now. And once you have finished all of those steps, I am going to navigate right over here to this specific section. Once you are there, you will need to carefully check the box labeled Bot, which should be located right there in front of you, and then you will also check the option for Send Messages. Now, please scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, and you will need to copy this entire URL that is displayed right here. Now that we have successfully configured the URL and copied it to our clipboard, let's open up a brand new browser window and then paste it right there in the address bar to authorize the bot for Elite Server, which is the specific server I created earlier for this purpose. And now we click Continue, Authorize. And as you can see, that's it, it's done. My bot has joined my server. The fifth step is to configure the Discord node, which is right here, and now we're going to go back to N8N. It should stay as bot token just like that. To do this, we need to go back to Discord and copy the token. You shouldn't share it for security reasons. I'm sharing it with you only because this is just a test. I'll delete it afterwards. Now, let's go back to N8N. Click on the little arrow right here and select Create New Credential. Here, we're going to paste the token. And now we click Save. As you can see, connection tested successfully. Now we click X to exit, and here you found EGMA server. As you can see, there's Elite server, that's the server I created earlier. Now you're going to go to channel, EGMA channel. You found general, and here, EGMA message, you're going to scroll down right here. When you are getting ready to write your email, the first thing you're going to do is navigate over here to the From field. Once you are there, you're going to enter the specific information exactly as it is being shown in the video right now. After you have done that, you will find the correct option, and then we will slowly scroll down the page to set the subject line for your message. Colon. And now you're going to take this objective right here, and we do it like this. So that's done. Now we'll click Execute Step. And now, as you can see, not executed successfully. So now you're going to click X to exit. And now, as you can see, I set the trigger and the message is completed. So, sixth and final step, publish the workflow. But before anything else, you need to run the workflow to test if I received the emails or not. Now, I'm going to send a message to my account. And now we'll go back to execute workflow. And there you go. Now I've received the email, I've tested my workflow. And now let us return to the N8N dashboard. And then we're going to click on Publish. And here, as you can see right here, don't worry, it's published and it's good to go. I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Subscribe for more workflows and write to me in the comments if you want other workflows and give me your feedback.